Hello viewers, welcome to Math Simplified. ମୁଁ ବିକେ ଜେନା आपण माननको Math Simplified को स्वागत करूछु. Let us enjoy mathematics with Math Simplified and tell together. Now math is simple. Aji we will start the relations and functions of class 12. Okay. आज आम आरंभ करिबा रिलेशंस एंड फंक्शंस क्लास 12 CHSE ओडिशा बोर्ड रो दैट इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ योर क्लास. ये तम क्लास रो फर्स्ट चैप्टर. प्रथम आम आरंभ करिबा रिलेशन रो. आई थिंक यू स्टूडेंट्स यू ऑलरेडी हैव रेड अबाउट रिलेशंस इन योर क्लास 11. क्लास 11 ने तुम मैंने सब रिलेशन बाबद पढ़ीच. तथापि आमे जहाँ जहाँ पढ़ीच ताकू टिके रिकैप करिबा. बिफोर दैट आमे आगे देखि नबा एई चैप्टर रे आमे कौन पढ़िया पई जिबा. ओके, वी शैल लर्न हियर द कांसेप्ट ऑफ ए रिलेशन. रिलेशन कौन, टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशंस ऑन ए सेट, द रिलेशन कॉन्ग्रुएंस मॉड्यूलो एठी पढ़िबा. And we will read equivalence relations. The types of relation रे equivalence relation भी आसुची आगु को पढ़िबा. Equivalence class, equivalence relation induced by a partition. Equivalence relation induced by a partition. So we will begin from the basic concepts. Basic concept ru आरंभ करिबा. What you already have read in your class 11. तमे क्लास 11 रे कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट बाबद रे पढ़ी सारिच. यू ऑलरेडी हैव रेड अबाउट कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ क्लास 11. अच्छा, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट और हाउ वी फाइंड कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट हमें केमती बाहर करंती. हियर ए इज ए सेट. ए इज ए सेट A, B, C. A रो एलिमेंट कौन हला? What are the elements of A, B and C. Okay. And what are the elements of B? 1, 2. अच्छा, how we find our what is A cross B? A cross B कौन हबो? A cross B will be कौन हुए? That is A1, A2. Then B1, B2, then C1 and C2. So it is the collection of all order pairs where the first elements A, B, C, they are in first, they are from set A, first set, and second elements they are from set B. जार फर्स्ट एलिमेंट उड़ा सेट ए रे रहिबो और सेकंड एलिमेंट कोठु नबा सेट बी रु नबा. सो दिस A1 देन B2 यांकु सब कोन कहबा ऑर्डर पेयर्स. व्हाई वी कॉल देम ऑर्डर पेयर्स? Because they are pair of elements. Ketra element? Pair of elements, but written in order. We cannot change the order. A1 is not equal to 1A. ये कथा तमे 11 रे पढ़ी सारी हला. अच्छा, when AB is equal to CD केतोले हबो? When A is equal to C and B is equal to D. This is you already have read in your class 11. अच्छा, एबे कहलो how many elements A has? A रे केतरा एलिमेंट अछि? Mod A, that is 3. How many elements are there in B? Mod of B or n of B केमती भी लिखि परिबा? 2. Then how many elements are there in A cross B? There are 6 elements. So we got, if there are m elements in A, n elements in B, then how many elements are there in A cross B? Obviously, it is M cross N or Mn elements. Have you understood? Check. If there are M elements in A, N elements in B, then there will be Mn elements in A cross B. Achha. You already have read about relation from A to B. You know relation is possible when A and B are, what is the condition required? A and B must be non-empty sets. Jodi set non-empty heଇ नथिबो, then how we make relations? ଯେମିତି କି in our day-to-day life we have many family relations. Persons of one family are related to persons of other family in different relations. सब अलगा अलगा relation रे related ହେଇଥାନ୍ତି. Okay? ଯଦି family रे କିଛି लोक नथिबे, if there are no element in the family, how you create relations? So what is the basic requirement for a relation? The sets must be non-empty. एक number. Second, what is a relation from A to B? If A and B are non-empty sets, obviously a relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B. A relation R. R con, that is the name of the relation. Na, Jemti is the brother of, is the sister of, is the father of, like this. Ette kotha to likhibani, we will write R. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. Okay? So every subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. A cross B ro sabu subset. They will make a relation from A to B. Acha. You know in your class 11, if mod of A is N, then how many subsets A has? A has how many subsets? How many subsets? That is 2 to the power n. That is the number of elements in the power set. You already have read. So if A has n elements, then how many subsets are there in A? That is 2 to the power n. So how many subsets are there in A cross B when A has m elements and B has n elements? Obviously, if A has m elements, B has n elements, what is mod of A cross B? That is mn. So what is the number of subsets of A cross B? That is 2 to the power mn. So how many relations are there possible? There are 2 to the power mn relations possible because every subset of A cross B form a relation from A to B. That thing is known to you. Okay? So how many relations are possible from A to B? If mod A is m and mod B is n, obviously it is 2 to the power mn. Achha. Let I tell R is a relation from A to B. Achha. A of A is related to B of B by relation R. So obviously, how we write this in mathematics? Mathematically, to केमते लिखिबा? जेमते कि Hari is the brother of Rama. So where I write the relation? Hari is the brother of means R, and Rama it is B. So I write A R B, or sometimes I write in this way, A B belongs to R. ମୁଁ କଣ ଲେଖିବି? A R B or A B belongs to R. Okay, where R is the name of the relation. अच्छा, आमे गोटे एग्जांपल नबा. चलो, let A equal to A B C. अच्छा, and B is equal to 1 2 3. ठीक है. Then R is a relation. I take A with 1, B with 3, this much. Now there are some first elements in the relation order pairs. Order pair रे सब first element अछि. किए से first element? A और B. This is known as domain of R. And range kahaku कहबा? That is set of all second elements 1 3. This is range of R. You have read in your class 11. Acha. So what is the name of B? B is called codomain of R. B को कौन कहबा? R रो codomain. Acha. So how can I get R inverse? Inverse of R. It is a relation from B to A. Is a relation from B to A. Okay, and how I write R inverse? Order pair को उल्टे की लिखिबा. That is 1A and 3B. This is the R inverse. So all these things you already have read in your class 11, and ये only it is a brush up, okay, of your knowledge what you have read in your class 11. Acha. Also you have read, if A and B are non-empty sets, then phi is a subset of A cross B. Why? Because phi is a subset of every set. So it is a subset of A cross B. As according to the definition of relation, we already have read, every subset of A cross B forms a relation from A to B. A cross B रो सबु subset A to B को relation बनाती. So phi is also a relation. Phi is also, so is phi subset of A cross B? Yes. So phi is also a relation from A to B. What is the name of that relation? It is empty or void relation. Or sometimes we call null relation. देखो यार तीनटा ना, empty relation चलिबो, void relation कहले चलिबो, null relation कहले भी चल. Again, A cross B, every set is a subset of itself. That is improper nahi, improper subset. So A cross B is a subset of A cross B. Yes or no? Yes. Therefore, A cross B is also a relation from A to B, and it is known as what type of relation? Universal relation. That is universal relation. So phi is the void relation, A cross B is the universal relation. तमे void और universal relation बाबदरे भी class 11 रे जानी सारिछ. Okay, so remember if you have not remembered, जदि मन नहीं एबे मन रख. How we write mathematically a relation A of A is related to B of B by relation R. Already हमें पढ़ी सर लेनी. How we write mathematically? A B belongs to R or A R B. Okay? चलो आगे चलो. Now what we call a relation from A to A? But a relation A to A, what we call it? ताको हमें केमती कहिबा? From A to A कहिबा ना on A कहिबा? We call it on A. काहेकि जेमती कि is the father of. For is the father of relation. We take relation from elements of same set to same set, same family relation. So आमे कहबानी is the father of is a relation from this family to this family. आमे कहबा it is a relation on this family. So we call R is a relation on A. Okay, what I understand, R is a relation not from A to B, rather from A to A. A to B नुह, ये relation A to A. बुझियासिला. चलो टुडे या परे आमे आरंभ करिबा what is given in your class 12 syllabus start करिबा. चलो types of relations on A. Okay, that is different types of relation from same set A to that same set. First relation is identity relation. प्रथम relation आसे identity relation. What is identity relation? That is, if A is a set, non-empty set दरकार अछि. For relation or function, we always need non-empty sets. अच्छा. If A is a non-empty set, a relation named as IA, empty lakhan, IA, okay, is an identity relation. On A, if for all A belongs to A, it's not a gun, for all, okay? For all A belongs to A belongs to IA only, okay? And A only mu kahin ki likhli, that we will understand. Achha. Let me take one example. A is A, B, C. Then what is IA here? Every element is related to itself only. Meaning A, B, C only. A is related to A, B is related to B, and C is related to C only. I should not include anything else in IA. IA रे आउ किछि भरिबा नाही. खाली A, B, C रहिबो. अच्छा. This is known as identity relation on a set A. Okay? Achha. If I remove this word only, then what I understand? जदि मैं इठी only word टाको हटै दिए ताले मु बुझिबि कोन? A, B, C सहित I can include any other thing. Say fine. For identity relation, only A is related to A, B is related to B, and C is related to C. No element is related to or related with any other element. That is known as identity relation on A. Next we go for a reflexive relation on A. What is a reflexive relation on A? Always you remember, barambar mu kahibi nahi, A is a non-empty set. A gote non-empty set. Acha. A relation on A. Na dedaba, a relation R on A is reflexive if A if for all A belongs to A belongs to R, A only hotele that will be reflexive. So what is a reflexive relation? Every element must be related with themselves, but they may be related with others. That is known as reflexive relation. Acha. Let me take one example. I take A is A, B, C. Then what are the reflexive relations? I write R1. It is A, B, B, C, sure. Then I may include any other element, may not. A, B, this is one reflexive relation. Now I take R2, A, B, C. It is also reflexive. So एठू कौन पता चलला? What we understood from this? All identity relation, every identity relation, केतना identity relation बाहरिबो पर हिसाब करियो. अच्छा, a identity relation is always reflexive, but a reflexive relation identity may or may not be. कहीं कि here R1 is reflexive, but not identity. R2 is reflexive and identity. Okay, so for reflexive, what is the requirement? Every element of the set must be related with itself, and it may happen it is related with some other elements. No restriction is there for relating an element with other elements. This is about a reflexive relation, like is parallel to, the relation is parallel to in the set of all lines in a plane. That is reflexive relation. Okay, and it is not an identity relation. Every line is parallel to itself, but a line may be parallel to others. Achha. Is perpendicular to in the set of all lines in a plane. Will it be reflexive? Obviously no. Why no? Because no line is perpendicular to itself. एमती को लाइन नहीं जे ता निज सहित परपेंडिकुलर रहिबो. is equal to reflexive relation. Will it be a reflexive relation? Yes, because every element is equal to itself in any set we take. Okay, is equal to relation in any set. Okay, it is reflexive relation. चलो नेक्स्ट रिलेशन को जिबा, whether all अच्छा अरे बढ़िया क्वेश्चन. Whether all reflexive relations are identity? No. Whether all identity relations are reflexive? Yes. All identity relations are reflexive. Yes. All reflexive relations are identity. It is no. Not all reflexive relations are identity. Next we shall go to another type of relation, that is symmetric relation on A. When we call a relation R on A is symmetric, a relation R on A is symmetric if AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. If A is related to B, then at the same time B is related to A, then the relation is symmetric. Symmetric word कोठु आछि जानिछ? The word came from the word symmetry. Like symmetry माने कोन? आमे एठी the veins of a leaf symmetrical about the main vein. आमे जदि एठु फोल्ड करि दबा गोटे ऊपर आ गोटे रहि जिवो हैला. So symmetry word symmetric आछि. So if A is related to B, उल्टेबा B is related to A at the same time, then R is a symmetric relation. बुझिपारल? अच्छा आमे एग्जांपल नउतले आसी जिबा एग्जांपल को जोठी नउतले है R1. Is it symmetric? R1 symmetric की? Not symmetric. काहे की? Because AB is in R1 but BA is not in R1. तो याको symmetric केमती करिबा? How I shall make this R1 symmetric? If I include BA, जदि मु या संगरे BA को include करी दिए, then it will be symmetric. अच्छा, can you tell R2 is symmetric or not? उल्टा सबू A उल्टेले A, B reverse B, C reverse C. Yes, it is reflexive, identity and symmetric also. This is symmetric. Understood? चलो तो what is a symmetric relation? A relation R on A is symmetric if AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. यदि AB और BA दुईटा जाक related रहिबे, A is related to B and B is related to A, then R is symmetric. अच्छा, here I think you have marked the symbol implies. Implies बाबदरे बहुत जिनिस क्लास 11 रे तमने पढिछ. अच्छा, can you tell me when an implication is false? When P implies Q is false. माने symmetric हबन. हैला? So when P implies Q is false, truth table implication कहार मने अछि? What is the truth table for implication? छोटा concept you must understand and remember and apply. Then easily you can do very well in math. This is P, this is Q, P implies Q. अच्छा चलो. Now this is true, false, true, false. Conditional I am telling about. It is true, P is true, Q is false, it is false, this is true, this is true. An implication or conditional. A conditional is false only when first one is true. This is called hypothesis. And this is called consequence or conclusion. If hypothesis is true, matlab if B belongs to R, conclusion is false, BA not belongs to R, then the relation is not symmetric. Okay? So when I read about symmetry, I must know about non-symmetric. ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସିମେଟ୍ରିକ୍ ବାବଦରେ ପଢ଼ିବି ଯେକୌଣସି କନସେପ୍ଟ, if you are reading about something, you must know when it will not be. ଏଟା କେତେବେଳେ ହବନି ସେଟା ବି ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର. Then the concept what will happen, concept पूरा मन भितरे जागा नहीं नब बसी. Therefore symmetric बाबदरे पढ़िले if A B belongs to R then B A belongs to R, then it is symmetric. अच्छा symmetric हबनी केतोल, when it will not be symmetric, if A B is in R but B A is not in R. अच्छा A B जदि R रे नथिबो, for example phi, A B is not in R, R is phi. वर्तमान A B is not in R, ताले symmetric होबो ना नहीं, whether that relation is symmetric or not चेक करिबा. imply sign अछि. When it is not symmetric, if A B is in R but B A is not in R, then the relation R on A is not symmetric. आउ not symmetric केतोले हबो, जेतोले A B रहिबो ना. A B रहिबो, here is true, B A रहिबो नाही, this is false. Then R is not symmetric. आउ सबु बेले symmetric हबो. कहीं see the implication. हमें एटी imply sign देइछन. Truth table देखो. A case not symmetric. All other cases symmetric. True. Symmetric. 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 This is not symmetric. So if A B in R but B A not in R, then it is not symmetric. आउ सबु बेले symmetric. एठी तो A B ही नहीं, तो मतलब it comes under which situation? एटा को situation ला आसुची एठी P is false. So in that case the implication is true. So phi is symmetric. Whether phi is reflexive? Is phi reflexive? No, because A B B C C ये सब किछि phi रे नहीं. So it is not reflexive. No. But is phi symmetric? Yes. Phi is symmetric. Why phi is symmetric? Because here I don't find A B. Then how shall I search for B A? जेतले A B पाइबे नहीं मु B A काहे कि खोजिबा को जिबी. A B जदि न पाइले एटा को सिचुएशन आसिला, P is false. So if P is false, don't think about Q. The result is true. P false हेले हमको Q कथा पचारिबार नहीं. The result is true. True means it is symmetric. Got the idea? Basic concept. Basic concept को जाओ. You will understand mathematics, realize mathematics, enjoy mathematics, and till now math is simple. Chalo. So we were discussing about symmetric relation. Acha. Is parallel to in the set of all lines in a plane. Is it symmetric? Yes. Because if L1 is parallel to L2 at the same time L2 is parallel to L1, then about perpendicular to, the relation is perpendicular to in the set of all lines in a plane. Is it symmetric? Yes, because if L1 perpendicular to L2, then obviously L2 is perpendicular to L1. Yes, symmetric. Getting the idea? भलो भाबरे बुझियला. If you are unable to understand, go to the description box. You will find the contact details. You are free to contact. I am here to make you understand mathematics, and you shall tell, now math is simple. Let us go ahead. What is a transitive relation? The next relation comes transitive relation on A. A relation R on A. On A means, कौन कहते? What is the meaning of R on A? R from A to A. अच्छा, is transitive if AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, that implies AC belongs to R. If A is related to B, B is related to C at the same time, sei kshetrare A must be related to C, then the relation is transitive. Acha. Now we shall see when R is not transitive. R केबे transitive होबो नहीं. When it will not be transitive? It will not be transitive. When first side of implication, left side hypothesis is true, but conclusion is false. For non-transitive, not transitive ପାଇଁ hypothesis true thibo, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R ହେଇଥିବ, but AC does not belong to R. So when R is not transitive, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, but AC does not belong to R. In this situation, the relation transitive nuhe. Acha. If any one of AB or BC is not present, if this is false, ये जदि आमर false ही गला, what conclusion I shall take? It is like P implies Q when P is false. What about the truth table of P implies Q when P is false? If P is false, obviously P implies Q, the result is true. So when it will when P is false, माने आमर in the relation AB न थाई पारे, BN BC न थाई पारे, AB BC किछि न थाई पारंती. In that situation, P is false. If P is false, what is our conclusion? Is it transitive or not? Yes, transitive. Yes, transitive. Okay, understood? So if either AB is not in R or BC is not in R, or AB and BC both not in R, then what conclusion we shall tell? We shall take the relation must be transitive. Therefore, with this point of view, I can tell phi is transitive. And chalo, example baneba. Let us make examples. Let A is A, B, C. Acha. Let me take relation R1. A, B, C. I got a relation. A, B, B. I take another. Only A. Now we shall check. This is reflexive or not? Yes. Why? A is related to A, B is related to B, C is related to C. It is reflexive. Is it identity or not? Yes, it is identity. Why? A, B, C are related only with themselves. They are not related with any other. Transitive. Is it symmetric? Is it symmetric? Ulta sabu. Just you interchange. A. Yes. B. Yes. C. Yes. It is symmetric. Is it transitive? with a. For transitive, what is the requirement? अच्छा, transitive पे requirement कौन? बा not transitive, non-transitive पे requirement कौन? A, B, B, C थिबो, A, C न थिबो. Okay, then we call it is not transitive, and in all other cases it is transitive. So here A is there, but there is no other element beginning with A, so we take it is transitive. Okay, first one checked. Second one BB, there is no other element beginning with B, chhad diyo. CC, there is no other element beginning with C, so we are getting the left side is false, माने A B B C मिललानी. So what we conclude? It is transitive. जदि लेफ्ट साइड न मिले राइट साइड देखिबार नहीं, you accept it is transitive. Okay, then next relation A B B. अच्छा, A is related to A, B is related to B, but C is not related to C, so it is not reflexive. Is it symmetric? AB is in R, but BA is not in R, so it is BA not in R. BA to disuchi, BA is in R, so it is symmetric. Is it transitive? Chala check karna. Now we shall check. Begin. A B, A B. They are in R, but AB is in R or not? Yes. Next देखबा B B B A, B B B A, सब एलिमेंट पे चेक करियो पड़ियो बाबा. Then B A, yes B A अच्छी. आउ A B B A, फर्स्ट क्लास A अच्छी कि नहीं? अच्छी. हाँ, B A is there in R, A B is there in R, and B B, yes, belongs to R. So for all A B and B C belongs to R, I find A C belongs to R. Therefore this relation is transitive. What about this third one? It is not reflexive, not symmetric. Why? A B अच्छी, B A नहीं, but it is transitive. Why transitive? हमें A B संगरे आउ एलिमेंट पाइले नहीं, न पाइले we accept it is transitive. When we are not able to get the left side or hypothesis, okay, और A B अच्छी, B C नहीं, A B निजे नहीं, A B B C केही नांती, then we conclude it is transitive. So this relation is only transitive. Okay, chana. A relation is an equivalence relation if it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Any relation which is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive is known as an equivalence relation. जो relation reflexive हेतिबो, symmetric हेतिबो, transitive हेतिबो, that is called an equivalence relation. Let us take examples. Now you see the relation is given as, the set is given as A, elements are 1, 2, 3. The relation R1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Ebe kuho, R1, is it reflexive? What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3. Are they related to themselves? Yes, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Yes, it is reflexive. If I alter the elements, whether they are present or not, alter 1, 1, it is 1, 1, 2, 2, reverse karo 2, 2, 3, 3, reverse, yes, it is symmetric. Transitive, transitive pai, A, B hai, 1, 1 is there, but there is no other element beginning with 1, 2, 2 is there, no other element beginning with 2, 3, 3 is there, no other element beginning with 3. So, ameeti kon hala? ट्रांजिटिव रो लेफ्ट साइड टा फॉल्स हे गला p implies q जो टेस्ट करूले ए बी बी सी एंड ए सी रहिबा दरकार ए बी बी सी बिलोंग्स टू आर implies ए सी बिलोंग्स टू आर यार लेफ्ट साइड फॉल्स हे गला ए बी बी सी आर रे नहीं so we take it as transitive we accept it as transitive about r2 1 1 1 2 1 3 chalo it is not reflexive why because 1 1 2 2 3 3 they are not present for reflexive it is essential 1 is related to 1 or 1 1 2 2 3 3 rahiba darkar symmetric 1 2 is there 2 1 is not there here 1 2 को देखो 2 1 नहीं so it is not symmetric but let us see about transitive देखिबा पेयर बनेबा ए बी बी सी 1 1 नो अच्छा देखिबा 1 1 1 2 फर्स्ट लास्ट 1 2 अच्छी इता then 1 1 1 3 first last 1 3 अच्छी so for 1 2 no other element beginning with 2 accepted transitive so it is a transitive relation yes come to r3 r3 is 5 5 बाबद रे कौन बुझी सारी चंती 5 is not reflexive 1 1 2 2 3 3 9 but it is symmetric and transitive we already have discussed in class रे पूर्व डिस्कशन सरी r4 r4 को देखिबा कुआडे गला r4 a क्रॉस रे तो सब अछंती सब थिले it is reflexive symmetric and transitive because in a cross a total all elements are there ताले सब अछंती it is reflexive symmetric and transitive it is the largest equivalence relation जदि एटा लार्जेस्ट है स्मॉलेस्ट किए r1 एटा this is the smallest equivalence smallest कहीं की if we remove any element the equivalence will not continue equivalence will not prevail equivalence कटि जीव जदि एठी किछि आउट करि दे so it is the smallest equivalence relation चलो come to r5 1 1 अछि कि रे नहीं so it is not reflexive कटि गला अच्छा 1 2 सहित 2 1 अछि नहीं it is not symmetric चलो तापरे आसी गला 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 फर्स्ट लास्ट 1 2 अछि 3 3 रो पेयर मिलु नहीं accepted transitive अच्छा 2 2 रो पेयर मिलला नहीं accepted transitive yes it is only transitive भलो की बुझुता r6 2 3 1 2 चलो देखिबा it is not reflexive 1 1 2 2 3 3 9 अच्छा 1 2 the opposite 2 3 opposite 3 2 9 not symmetric transitive 1 2 2 3 1 3 not present yes it is not transitive 1 2 is there 1 2 belongs to r 2 3 belongs to r6 1 2 belongs to r6 but 1 3 does not belong to r6 so it is not transitive come to the relation number 7 1 1 2 2 3 3 it is not there not reflexive 2 3 is there but 3 2 yes achi 2 2 is there reverse 2 2 yes it is symmetric and देखिबा transitive 3 2 2 3 first last 3 3 nahi it is not there in r7 it is not transitive okay so we will continue in our next video we have discussed about different types of relations and basics on relations you will have to solve problems in case of any doubt you shall see the description box of this video get the links get the details of my mail and WhatsApp. You can do only WhatsApp, no call is accepted. So see the description box, and if in case of any problem you are free to call. And যদি এই ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ସ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟସ୍, এই ଭିଡ଼ିଓର କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟସ୍, এই ଭିଡ଼ିଓର ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ସ, এই ଭିଡ଼ିଓର ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ତାହେଲେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବ, ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବ, ତମ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସେୟାର କରିବ. Best of luck. Go ahead. Go on solving problems. Enjoy mathematics. Until now, math is simple. Thank you. Thank you, students.